welcome to another CLK Video Productions production. My name's Chris, and today we're going to show you how to do a factory reset on a ZOOM Podtrak P8 sound mixer. So here we go. Very easy. First of all, you just got to turn the unit off. There's a power switch in the back. You should all know where the power switch is by now. Okay, after you turn that off, you hold your finger down on pod B, then turn it back on again. And you'll see instructions on the screen when it comes up. Okay, reset all settings. Reset. Powered off. It's all complete. You restart it again, and it takes. So then you're all done. It's plain and simple as that. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.